All right, guys, welcome back to Beauty Over 40. So, tonight, we're busting this open from Estee Lauder. Stay tuned.
I'm down if you're down. Let's ride out right now.
All right, guys, so let's dive into this. I'm excited about the new products. It's been out. These products have been out maybe a little over a month now. And I showed you guys in the previous video how this looks. I think it's pretty cool. It matches my backdrop. I just had to do that. So usually, and again, you guys know I'm still fairly new to the company. I'm like 6 months in. But from what I hear, usually when there's a new launch, they usually always send advanced night repair because this is the #1 serum. You guys know this is going to reduce key signs of aging. So, you know, if you're one of those people like me that don't want surgery, I'm trying to slow down the process. So I've been using it, and like I said, I have noticed a difference on my skin. And then we have the new Advanced Night Repair Intense Concentrate Reset. And then we have, which I'm really excited about, is the new Revitalizing Supreme Night Cream. Okay, so I won't talk about the Advanced Night Repair, the original one, because I have a video on that already. But I will talk about, my tea. I will talk about the new products. Okay, so the first one up is the Advanced Night Repair Intense Reset. So this is a breakthrough overnight treatment. And if your skin, you know, guys, a lot of times when we're stressed, our skin is stressed too. So this is really good for a stress reliever. So you can apply this to your skin, and it's going to relieve and soothe your skin within 1 hour. It's going to give you 24 hours of moisture, which, I don't know, I feel like sometimes people say when you say hydrated or moisture, they think oily. Girl, no. So you really want your skin to stay hydrated because that's going to make your skin look supple and reduce the key signs of aging. So if my skin can hold on to moisture, even though I've cleansed and washed my face, it's going to stay moisturized like the product is still there. Girl, give it to me. This product also has 15 times the hyaluronic acid, which means any product that has hyaluronic acid in it, one, it's going to help that product perform 33% better, but that's also going to help your skin hold on to the moisture that you need for your skin. Okay, and then it's also going to refine your skin texture and also minimize the look of pores. So I'm going to not use my regular serum, but I'm going to go in with some of this. Since this is Intense Reset Concentrate, that means it's more potent, you guys. So I'm not going to use my regular serum tonight, but I am going to use this. I'm just going to take a couple pumps of that on my skin. Smells good. Oh, it smells so good. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh, it feels so good, you guys. Oh my gosh. When they say intense, I can feel it. I can feel it. It feels amazing. It smells really good. Smells citrusy. It smells very citrusy. Oh, I can feel it, and my skin feels smooth already. The texture feels different. You guys can see the glow that's in it. When your skin is hydrated and glowy, girl, you look younger. I tell my guests, my clients that all the time. all the time. And some of those ladies that come and shop in Estee Lauder, oh, even feeling it on the back of my hand, it feels really good. Sorry guys, my lips. I need to get some of that. Estee Lauder has some lip care products too. I need to get some of that added into my lip regimen. But my skin feels really good. I can feel, it feels really smooth. It feels really good. All right, so then after you have on your Advanced Night Intense Reset, we are going to go in with, oh my gosh, I'm really excited about this because I've been given samples of this night cream out to my customers. Sorry, I'm trying to get it out of here. Since it came out, and just putting it on the back of their hand, they're like, oh my gosh, this feels so amazing. Give it to me. Okay, finally I got it out. All right, and this is the Revitalizing Supreme Night. Okay, so this is also an intense restorative cream. It's gonna firm, reduce the look of lines. It's gonna nourish deep into your skin. It has 2 times Marigna, which helps the natural collagen in your skin. This also has 24-hour hydration. For those that don't know, we lose moisture at night, so you want to make sure your skin stays hydrated, especially at night. So if you think about it, usually any night cream is a little bit heavier. That is why, because you lose moisture at night. I don't know if it's the blankets, the pillow slips that's sucking the juice out of us, but definitely get you guys a good night cream. Okay, and then this is also going to plump your skin by 80%. Plump me up. All right, so I'm excited to try this. Like I said, I've been putting this on the back of my guests' hands for like a little over a month, and I want to, I mean, I've put some on the back of my hand too, but I didn't put any on my faces. I want to do it with you guys, put it on video. Okay, so I'm just going to use what's on the back of this cap here, and probably definitely not even use all of that. But I know me, like I just want to bathe in it because it feels so good. Oh. Oh, okay. And it smells so good. It smells so good. I don't know. I just can't explain it. Okay, I probably used a little bit more than what I should have, but it just feels so good. It feels so good. That's all I can say, you guys. It feels so good. Like I can feel my skin. Just like, yes, what is this? It's like, you know, some people say it's like a drink of water for your skin. Look how luminous and glowy and hydrated my skin looks. It feels that way. What you see, I'm feeling on my face. So I'm really enjoying this. It feels so good. I'm not just saying this because I work for the company. You guys saw a couple videos back. I did a review for Clinique products. Those Clinique products were good, but you know, you guys know Estee Lauder is definitely luxury, and you can definitely tell the difference. No, you know, I'm not trying to down, you know, Clinique, but you can definitely tell the difference in these products. It feels so good. It feels amazing. Okay. All right, so you guys can see my skin looks nice and hydrated. You know what I'm gonna do? Okay, because both of these products says it gives you 24-hour hydration, right? So what time is it? It is 9 o'clock at night. Yes, I'm getting ready for bed. I've had a long weekend. not to go into detail, but I've had a long weekend and a long day. I'm actually going through Estee Lauder. We're in our fall gift with purchase. So when you spend $37.50, and I'll probably insert an image here so you guys can see. When you spend $37.50, you can get a free 7-piece gift set. So if there's anyone out there that shops at Estee Lauder, you like to order from me, I will leave all the information down below. I feel a little bit better. So I think what I will do is come back in the morning after I've slept. I'm sure most of this will probably be gone. It'll be absorbed into my skin, but I'll come back on. I like coming back on and showing you guys, you know, kind of like a before and after. So I will come back in the morning so you guys can see how my skin looks. So until then, ciao. All right, guys, so I am back and it is the next morning. It is 9:48. So you guys can't see. Here's my watch. It's 9:48. I have to be at work in a couple hours. So again, I just wanted to come on and show you guys my skin. I did not cleanse my skin. I did splash some water because it's early in the morning. But I did splash some water on my face and then I pat it dry. So with me tossing and turning, and the way I sleep, I don't know, I'm weird. I sleep with the pillow over my head, so my face is underneath the pillow. I don't know. That's just comfortable for me. So even with that tossing and turning, you guys can see that my skin still does have a little bit of glow. Again, both of those products are going to hydrate my skin for 24 hours. And both the products feel amazing. The night cream really, I really love how that felt on my skin. But yeah, I really like those products and I will definitely continue to use those. So you guys will continue to see those products here on my channel. So that is it. So once again, thank you guys for joining me. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. And that's it. And remember, the best makeup you can wear is confidence.